Hi viewers, I'm Nadeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farouk Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 4, exercise 4G, book D2, algebraic manipulation and formulae. Question number 1. We have to solve this question. What does it mean by this solution? Solve means we have to find the variable that is x. We have to find the value of variable. So this question can be solved by the two methodology. First, we can take cross multiplication, or otherwise by taking LCM. So first of all, you have to change from the sign of equality, that is 2x minus 3 divided by 5 minus divided by 2 is equal to 0, because we have to solve this question by LCM methodology. So taking LCM, 10 is your LCM, so 5 into x minus 2 is equal to 0, so 5 2s are 10, so you will get 2, so multiply with the numerator, that is 2x minus 3. So by simplification you will get 2 2s are 4x, 6, 5x plus 5 2s are 10. So when you multiply this term with this one, so you will get so similar terms will be added and subtracted, so you will get you can see minus x and 10 and minus 6 mean plus 4 divided by 10 is equal to 0. So you will get by using cross multiplication you will get 0 again, because 10 multiplied by 0 you will get 0, so minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So it means the value of x is equal to, so the value of x is minus 4. You can see here minus x plus 4 is equal to 0, and minus x is equal to minus 4, because 4 is shifted towards the right hand side, so you will get minus minus will be cancelled, so the value of x is 4. So here is your result. You can see the value of x is equal to 4. Now coming to the question number B part, you can see question number B. M divided by m plus 2 is equal to 3 by 5. So once again here you can see that variable terms only exist at the left hand side, so by using cross multiplication, so by cross multiplication you will get 5m is equal to 3 into m plus 2. So 5m, 3m plus 3 2s are 6, so similar terms will be shifted at one side. So you can see here, so 5m minus 3m, 2m, but you need the value of m. You can see here, that is the value of m is 3. So that is your result. Now coming to the question number 1 of the C part, that is in C part, 2 divided by x minus 3 is equal to 4. So by using cross multiplication you will get 2 is equal to 4 into x minus 3. In cross multiplication, denominator is dragged to the numerator at the other side, so you can see, so simplification, 4x, 4 3s are 12, so you need the value of x, so shift minus 12 here, you will get plus 12, you will get 14. The value of x is 14 by 4, and the value of x is 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4, so 7 by 2. So if you divide this, 7 divided by 2, 3 2s are 6, so you will get 1. So the 3 whole 1 by 2. So it means you can say as the value of x is equal to 3 whole 1 by 2. So that is your result. You can see here. So that is your answer. And in division, you can see here we have divide here. So that's why 7 divided by 2, you will get 3 whole 1 by 2. So that is your result. Now coming to the D part. X by 2 plus x minus 2 by 3 is equal to 4. So taking LCM, similar terms will be added. So you will get 5x divided by 6 is equal to 4. By using cross multiplication, you will get 5x minus 4. What you need the value of x, so 24 plus 4, you will get that is 28. 5x is equal to 28, but you need the value of x, so it means the value of x is you can see here the value of x is 28 divided by 5. So the value of x is divide 28 divided by 5, 5 5s are 25, so you will get 3. So 5 whole 3 by 5. So that is your required result. Now coming to the next part, that is E part. Seven P so shift here 7p, so minus 9p by 10 and plus 3 is equal to 0. So taking LCM, so how can you find the LCM? So you will get 2 4 2s are 5 2s are, then again 2 2s are, then again 2, then 5 1s are 5 5 2s are 10 10 2s are 20 20 2s are 40. So LCM is 40. So here is denominator is 1, so 40 multiplied by 3, so you will get 300, 4 3s are 12. By using cross multiplication is equal to 0, it will also become 0. So is equal to 0. So similar terms will be added. So you will get that is P minus P plus 120 is equal to 0. So minus 120. So minus will be cancelled. So your result is P is equal to 120. Now coming to the next part. That is your F part. 1 plus 5 by E is equal to 7 by 3. So taking LCM, 7 by 3, because here variable is, yeah, so that's why that is your but it should be noted that variable is here 5 by e is equal to, so constant value should be shifted here, 1 should be shifted here, so -1. So LCM will take the constant values, that is 7 minus 3, so 4 by 3, so that is your 5 by e, 5 by e, you can see. So taking LCM, after LCM you will get this, but you need the value of e by using cross multiplication. You can see here that is 4e, and this denominator will be drag, that is 15, so you need the value of e, so 15 divided by 4, so the value of e is, so 15 divided by 4. You can see here 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, so 3 whole 3 by 4, 3 whole 3 by 4 is your required result, that is the value of e. Now coming to the next part. G part, e plus e by 2 plus e by 3 is equal to 11. Now taking LCM, 6 is your LCM. So after taking LCM, similar terms will be added and subtracted. You will get, that is 6, 8, 8 minus 3, 5e. So cross multiplication, 5e is equal to, so the value of e is, you can see cross multiplication, so the value of that is 6 multiplied by 11, that is 66. You need the value of e, so the value of e is, you can see, so 66 divided by 5, you will get, that is 835. So what will you get? Here you can see the value, you can see here why we have put here negative sign. It is also positive, so it means 3, 5, and that is your 11e. So you can see here 11e cross multiplication, 66 you need the value of, so divide by 11, so 11 6 are 66, so the value of e is 6. You can see the value of e is 6. 66 divided by 11, you will get 6. So that is your answer. Now coming to the next part. Five by a plus 4, 2 by a minus 2 is equal to 0. So taking LCM, a plus 4, a minus 2, so you will get 5 into a minus 2, 2 into a plus 4 is equal to 0. 5a and is equal to 0. So a plus 4 into a minus 2. So by using cross multiplication, this will be also become 0. You can see. So by similar terms, 3a minus 18 is equal to 0. But you need the value of a, so this 18 is shifted there. So you need the value of a, that is 18 by 3. So what is the value of 18? Which is equal to 6. So 6 is your required result. You can see here. Now coming to the I part. X plus 3 divided by 4 is equal to 2x minus 3 by 5. So shift here, x plus 3 divided by 4 minus 2x minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. So taking LCM, that is 20 and 5 into. So the LCM methodology is well familiar to this. So there's a 5x plus 15, 8x is equal to 0. By using cross multiplication, 20 will become 0. So similar terms will be added and subtracted. You will get, you can see. Now 5 minus 3x and plus 27 is equal to 0, but you need the value of, so 27 become minus, shift here, so you need the value of x. What should you do? Therefore you can see here, therefore the value of x is equal to minus 27 by minus 3. So the value of x is, minus minus will be cancelled and 9 3 is 27. So the value of x is, so the value of x is 9. So here is your result. So coming to the J part. Six plus 2x minus 1 divided by 4 is equal to x. So shift here, 6 plus 2x minus 1 minus x is equal to 0. So taking LCM, 4 is LCM and 4x. After LCM using cross multiplication, and that will also become 0. So similar terms will be added. So you will get minus 2x and this one, so 24 minus 1 23. Using cross multiplication, 0 multiplied by 4, you will get 0. So shift this 23, you will get minus 23. So the value of x is minus 23 divided by minus 2. Minus minus will be cancelled, and after division you will get 23 divided by 2, that is 11 2s are 22 1. So you can say that the value of x is 11 whole 1 by 2. So that is your result. You can see taking LCM, so 5 into 2m is equal to 1. So simplification is equal to 0 divided by 15. So by using cross multiplication, this 15 will also become 0. So similar terms will be added. You will get minus m and plus 12 is equal to 0 multiplied by 15. So minus m plus 12 the value of m is, you can see here, minus minus will be cancelled, so the value of m is 12. So here is your result. Coming to the B part, that is x by 4 minus 5x plus 8 divided by 6 is equal to 2x minus 9 divided by 3. So first of all you have to shift this, so this implies that x by 4 5x plus 8 divided by 6, so minus 2x minus 9 divided by 3 is equal to 0. Now take the LCM. So what is the LCM of just for example 4 6 3, so taking LCM 3, that is 3 2s are 3 1s are, so 2 2s are 4 2 1s are, then again so 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 12, so 12 is your LCM. So simplify it. So you will get, that is similar terms will be added or subtracted. You will get this that is 8 minus 18 minus 18 and minus 3 minus 15, greater value, so minus 15x, and you will get 36 and minus 30, that is 20, plus 20 is equal to 0. So you will get the value, that is cross multiplication again 0. So 15x plus 20 is equal to 0. So it means by further calculation you can see that is, so if minus 15x is equal to minus 20, so the value of x is minus 20 divided by minus 15, minus minus will be cancelled, so the value of x is 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So after simplification the value of x is 4 by 3, or you can divide 4 by 3, you will get, so the value of is 1 whole 1 by 3. If you divide it, so you will get 1 whole 1 by 3. So that is your also a required result. So that is your answer. You can see here. So divide it 4 by 3, so we'll get 1 whole 1 by 3. So that is your answer on this one. So now coming to the C part. In C part, m by 2 plus m plus 1 by 7 is equal to m minus 2. So taking LCM, so by using cross multiplication or simplification, 7m so you will get 14 2s are 28. So the similar terms you will get 9m plus 2. So once again similar terms will be shifted at one side, that is minus 28 minus 2, so we will get minus 30. So you will get minus 5m. So you will get m minus 30 divided by minus 5. You can see here we have shifted at one side, and after simplification the similar terms will be shifted at one side and constant will be at other side. So after addition subtraction you will get this, but we need the value of m, so divide this 5, so you will get the value of m is 6. Minus minus will be cancelled and the value of m is 6. Now coming to the D part. D part 2a minus 3 divided by 2 minus a plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to a plus 1 divided by 4. So taking LCM, so similar terms will be added. So similar terms will be added. 6 minus 2 4a minus 13 divided by 6 is equal to a plus 1 by 4. By using cross multiplication you will get that is 4 into 4a plus 6 into a plus 1. So you will get 6a plus 6, 16a, 52. So similar terms will be added at one side, shifted. That is 16a minus 6a is equal to 6 plus 52. So constant term we have shifted there, so you will get 10a, so 58, but you need the value of a, that is 58 divided by 10, so you will get that is 5.8, or if you divide it, so you will get if this is your decimal form, otherwise 58 divided by 10, so you will get 5 whole 8 by 10, or the value of a is 5 whole 8 by 10, or to cancel it, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, so you will get again a is equal to 5 whole 4 by 5. So that is your result in decimal form, or in fraction form, or the simplified fraction form. So you will get this. So that is your result. Coming to the next part. That is your E part. X plus 2 divided by 6, x plus x divided by 3 is equal to 2 minus x divided by 2. So now taking LCM, so what is the LCM? So you will get 3 2s are 3, 3 1s are 3, so 2. So 6 is your LCM, so x plus 2 and 2x is equal to 2 minus x divided by 2. So you have taken the LCM left hand side. So similar terms will be added, so you will get 3x plus 2 by 6 is equal to 2 minus x by 2. So using cross multiplication you will get 6 into 2 minus x and 2 into 3x plus 2. So 6 2s are 12, 6x. So 6x will be shifted at one side because the variable x is plus 6, and constant term will be shifted at one side. So you will get, you can see here, you will get 12x is equal to 8. So the value of x is 4 2s are 6 2s are, so you will get 4 by 6. Again you can cancel it by using table of 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are, so the value of x is 2 by 3. Now coming to the question number F. That is 4x plus 1 divided by 5 minus x by 2 is equal to x by 3 minus x by 4. So taking LCM, that is your 10 in your LCM. So similarly again taking LCM of this, so 4x, 3x, so simplification, after simplification 4 2s are 8, that is 2. Fx, similar terms will be added and subtracted, you will get x by 12. So you will get 3x by 10, and 3x plus 2, x by 12. So by using cross multiplication you will get 10x and 12 into, that is 3x. So multiply it, but you don't have enough space, you can see here, that is so shift here 36x minus 10x, and this 24 will be shifted here minus 24. So 26x 24, the value is minus 24 divided by, so you will get, that is 26. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 3 2s are, so the value is minus 12 by 30. So you can see here the value is, we can divide our 12 by 13 will be your result. So we see that no cancellation can be applied here, so that is your result. Now coming to the G part. G part, that is 2a divided by 2 plus a by 4 is equal to a by 6 minus 2a by 3. So taking LCM, 2 and 4 you can check. So 4 is your LCM. Here 3 and 6, 3 1 3 2 0. So 6 is your LCM. So you can take the LCM, and after simplification you will get 4a plus a. So similar terms will be added. So after simplification you will get 5a plus 6 by 4. Now by using cross multiplication you can see here minus 3 multiplied by 4 and 6 multiplied by 5a plus 6. So after multiplication you can see here that is 5 6 are 30, 36 is equal to minus 12. So similar terms shift at one side and constant will be shifted at the other side, so you will get 30a plus 12a, you will get what? 42. So you need the value of A. So you will get the value of A is equal to 36 by 42. So the value of A is, so divide it by 2 ones are 2, divide 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are, so you will get 12 by 14. But by using 2 tables, 6 twos are 12, 7 twos are 14, so minus 6 by 7 is your required result. Now coming to the H part, that is D plus 3 by 3, 2D minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to D minus 5 by 6. Okay, taking LCM, left hand side LCM 6, 2 into D plus 3. Again LCM of the right hand side 6, 6D 5. So after simplification, 2D you will get 6D minus 5 by 6. By using similar terms adding and subtraction, you will get minus 4D 15 is equal to 6D by 6. By using cross multiplication, you will get or either another is equal to denominator or equalize, it will be cancelled with this, so you will get minus 4D plus 15 is equal to 6D minus 5. So similar terms will be shifted at one side. You can see here, due to limitation of time, you can see here minus 4D shift here, minus 6D is equal to minus 5 and minus 15, because constant term we have shifted at one side. So now you can see minus 10D is equal to minus 20, but we need the value of D minus 20 by minus 10, so the value of D is 10 twos are 20, so that is your result. Now coming to the I part, by x plus 1 minus 1 by 2x plus 2 is equal to 5. This exercise is demanding only one question is demanded in this exercise, that is I part. I am going to solve, you can see here. So the LCM is this one. So you can see here 2x plus 2. After taking LCM, the LCM is divided by the denominator, this will be cancelled, so the remaining term will be multiplied with the numerator, so you will get this is equal to 5. Okay, by simplification, 6x so is equal to 5. So by multiplication, you will get this term will be multiplied with this one and this one, so you will get 2x square and then plus 2x, then plus 2x, then plus 2. So by using cross multiplication and addition and subtraction of the similar terms, you will get 5x plus 5 divided by, so by using cross multiplication you will get, but first of all we have to simplify it, so 2x square plus 4x plus 2. Now in next steps we can simplify. You can see here by using cross multiplication you will get 5x plus 5 is equal to 5 into 2x square plus 4x plus 2. So 5x plus 5, so multiply it, 10x square, so it is 10x. Okay, now shift all terms at one side, so you will get 0. So 10x square 20x plus 10 minus 5x minus 5. So you can see here that is 10x square. The similar terms will be added and subtracted. You will get 15x, and this constant you will get plus 5. So you can take 5 common, so you will get 10x. There you will get 5 2s are, and 5 3s are, and plus 1, so is equal to 0. So taking common is equal to 0 divided by this, again you will get 0. So therefore the equation will be 2x square plus 3x plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. So that is your equation. Now you have to factorize it. So after factorization in your mind, after multiplication you will get 2, and addition subtraction you will get 3. So by factorization, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, and addition subtraction you will get. So make a pair, taking common you will get x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you can see here in further, so after factorization you will get x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So either this one is equal to 0, that is x plus 1 is equal to 0, so the value of x is 1, or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, so the value of x is minus 1 by 2. So you can see here the value is, if we put x is equal to minus 1 in the given equation, so you can get the infinity, because in your given question, so the only value is here, you can see this is your, so neglecting only, that is your answer, x is equal to minus 2. Why we have neglected there? Once again I would like to tell you that in your given question, when you put the values in your given question, when you put the values of x is equal to minus 1, so you will get the 0 as a denominator. So anything divided by 0 you will get infinity, so your condition become wrong. So that's why we have to neglect this x is equal to minus 1. Only you have to consider x is equal to minus 1 by 2 is your required exact result. Okay, so coming to the next question. That is your J part. That is 5 by 6x plus 6 by 7x minus 9 by 14x is equal to 4. So taking LCM, that is 6, 7 and 14. Okay, divided by 7. So 2, 3 2s are, so 3. So 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So 42 is your LCM, 42x. So 42 is your LCM. So what should you do? You will get your LCM is divided by the denominator. You will get 7 multiplied with this, so you will get 35. Similarly, 6 6 are 36, and 9 is 27 is equal to 4. So after simplification, from this you will get that is 11, 71 minus 27, you will get 71 minus 27, you will get 44. So 44 by 42, x is equal to 4. By using cross multiplication you will get 44 is equal to 168x, but you need the value of x. but you need the value of x, so it means 44 is equal to 168x, so you need the value. So 168 is equal to 168 is equal to 44. So you need the value of x, so 168 is divided, so you can see what is the value of x. So after division you will get, that is by simplification, 11 by 42. So by 4, because 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, and 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So by dividing by 4 table, you will get the value of x is 11 by 42. So here is your result. So we have completed exercise 4G of book D2. So I hope that it will be very much helpful to you. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.